It is the only pyramid in Rome and one of the only pyramids in Europe. It was built in 18 to 12 BC as a tomb for Gaius Cestius, a Roman magistrate and member of the Septemviri Epulonum, a religious college. The pyramid is made of brick and concrete, faced with white marble. It is 36 meters, 118 feet, tall and has a square base of 30 meters, 98 feet. The pyramid was incorporated into the Aurelian walls in the 3rd century AD, which helped to protect it from damage. The interior of the pyramid is a simple barrel-vaulted chamber. It is empty, as the tomb was plundered in ancient times. It is located in the Testaccio neighborhood of Rome, near the Porta San Paolo. It is a popular tourist destination and can be visited for free. The inscription on the pyramid states that it was built in 330 days. This is thought to be an exaggeration, but it is still a remarkable feat of engineering. The pyramid was once decorated with frescoes, but these have been lost. However, some traces of the frescoes can still be seen. The pyramid was used as a quarry in the Middle Ages, and some of its stones were used to build other structures. It was restored in the 1990s and is now in good condition. The pyramid is significantly slimmer and pointier than the Egyptian pyramids, which is thought to be due to the influence of Nubian pyramids. The pyramid is said to have been built in emulation of the pyramids of Nubia, which Cestius had seen during his military service in the region. The pyramid was originally surrounded by a tuffo wall, which has since been destroyed. The pyramid was once topped with a bronze obelisk, which was looted in the Middle Ages. The pyramid is mentioned in the works of several ancient authors, including Pliny the Elder and Tacitus. The Pyramid of Cestius is a unique and mysterious monument. It is a reminder of the power and wealth of ancient Rome, and it continues to fascinate and intrigue people today.